Well, this is what a 28-year-old parrot looks like. Happy birthday, Homer. Hey, dude. What you doing? Are you having a nice day? Oh, are you climbing around like a climby-limey? Okay, I was gonna make you a birthday cake, but birds don't eat cakes. So how about a birthday grape? Yummy, yummy? Oh, yum? You're not even saying it right. Good bird. You are such a good birthday bird. Yummy. Nom, 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 nom. No, you're very happy about that. You're doing your eyeball thing. Oh, yeah. That's a good bird. Happy birthday, Homer. Nom, 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 nom.